It's time to do another um, video on silver. Um, as usual, um, almost all the analysts had it wrong. Listen to the analyst over on KE report. They're always the perfect contrarians, suggesting that silver was about to run into resistance and was going to head back down. If you do the exact opposite of what the analysts there say, you're going to make money. Um, Many people suggesting that because silver, was lagging gold, that was the reason that the gold rally was going to run out of steam and fail. And none of that is correct. Silver just tends to be the last piece of the puzzle that falls into place. It's a very thin market. It tends to get ignored during the first part of an intermediate cycle, and then it catches up uh, at the very tail end of an intermediate rally. So we saw that here in the baby bull. This rally from here to here was like 20% in a month, and most of that rally occurred in the last 5 days. Uh, Silver went from about $17 to $21, and it did it in 7 days, and 2 of those days were flat, so it really did it in only 5 days. Uh, the same thing is probably happening now. We've had two little consolidation phases where traders, were listening to the analysts tell them that silver was lagging and that the metal rally was going to fail here and here. And yesterday we broke out above this consolidation, but it wasn't a very convincing breakout, so could have kind of gone either way. We could have maybe had another consolidation phase, but today I think is the confirmation that the breakout is valid and we are starting, the final explosive rally. But you need to be aware that this kind of rally is a signal of the end of an intermediate rally, not the beginning. This happens at the very tail end when silver catches up, and it's driven by dumb money traders um, piling in to what is moving quickly at the very tail end of the rally. So these explosive moves, while they can tack on a lot of percent very quickly, they don't last very long. And then the intermediate rally tops, and you got to be out because this is driven by dumb money retail traders just um, hitting the bid. They want in at any price, and that pool of traders is going to exhaust pretty quickly, and then the market tops, and you start an intermediate correction. So while this move is going to be fun and it can be very profitable, just understand that this happens at the tail end, and it happens because dumb money retail traders start to pile into the market, and these are not institutional traders that are trading this. This is not all of a sudden a fundamental shift in the silver market that's going to just continue higher for months and months. This is dumb money trying to pile into the market um, at the very tail end of an intermediate cycle. So be aware that this kind of move doesn't last very long. Sometimes, as in during the baby bull, it only lasted 7 days. So, this is day two. We may not have a whole lot of days left before this tops. So don't get sucked into thinking that something fundamentally changed and silver is rocketing to the moon, and it's never going to have an intermediate correction again. This While this can be very fun, this is a danger signal. It's a sign that the intermediate rally in the metals is getting near the end.